Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is a festive turnover trials for Christmas. Now I was going to do these over Christmas, but I didn't know how they was going to turn out. I didn't know if they was going to be all nice, so I thought, you know what, I'll do a trial and see if they're any nice just for Christmas. And if they turn out okay, then brilliant, I will do them over Christmas because I know the rest of the family will absolutely love them. So hence why I done today's video. I've also filmed little clips of how I made them, and there will be in like little titles underneath of how long to keep them in the oven for as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. guys have enjoyed today's video. They looked incredible and they tasted insane as well, and I will definitely be doing them for over Christmas because I know Nathan's side of the family will absolutely love them. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, as always, give it a like, a comment and subscribe. I will leave in the description box the ingredients of what I used and how I made them, so you guys can make them for yourself if you would like to. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.